Guys, am I the only one who really likes the neck part? Let's try. Wow! Wow, 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 ow, 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 ow. Ah! This is it! Mmm. 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 Wow. Alright, my husband's going to try one, especially legs. It's so juicy. Mm. Wow. Try it, baby. You were thinking about it all day. That's what you said, right?
I can sing a symphony right now.
Oh my god, it's so tender. Oh. Okay guys, we're gonna eat. Bye. Hey everybody, we're back. We just got home from a jam-packed adventure, which we're gonna show you guys pretty soon. Stay tuned in the community section. Our vlogging video is gonna be there posted, so you can see exactly where we've been through for the past 3 days. It's absolutely gorgeous, especially in the other side of Cebu. Nobody really explored it yet. And yeah, it's just gonna be super cool to watch. But since we didn't stock up over the weekend, I have a lot of lemons that's deteriorating. I mean, almost deteriorating. So today we are gonna be doing some lemon herb turbo broil chicken. Not boil, but turbo broil, because I don't have an oven. But yeah guys, let's go. So guys, for this recipe, I've already pre-marinated my chicken right here, but I'm gonna be posting it on the screen so you guys have a look right now to see what herbs and spices I use to marinate this chicken. Now you can marinate this chicken overnight, or you can allocate 2 hours to marinate it. But look at this bad boy. All right, we still need to stuff our chicken, so let's prep it. And then we'll also prep our turbo broil. It's gonna be 180 degrees Celsius for over about like 20 minutes or even less. Okay, so let's preheat it to 200 degrees Celsius at 20 minutes. This one is for the stuffing, and I'm gonna do one for marination. You know, for the garlic, I'll be adding half inside and half on top of the chicken as a marinade. As you can see, I've added the onion and garlic on top. Plus, I'm gonna add a little bit of heat, add chili right there. And of course, this wouldn't be zest chicken broil if we don't put zest and a squeeze of lemon. Beautiful. Okay, just mix everything together, including the marinade that I made yesterday. And we're gonna do the stuffing later. All right, so I'm using an aluminum container, so you can definitely pop it in the turbo broiler. You know, it's really up to you, but I like to save up the juice, and this just makes everything so easy. So what I do is I put it in the aluminum container, and I drench all of that juice there so that it stays put. Beautiful. And now let's start adding all our stuffing inside, and then after that, let's pop it in the oven. let's pop it in the oven. Alright, so our turbo broil is already pretty hot, so let's add it already inside. Okay. Alright, so there goes our chicken. It's inside the broil. Perfect fit. Okay, let's add it back on. And now this time, let's change the temperature. So from 200 degrees Celsius, I want to go to 250 degrees Celsius. And I want to do it for about an hour. Well, I do 1 hour and a half depending on how big is the chicken. For this chicken, definitely 1 hour and a half. You know, that's already both ends. So yeah, guys, let's wait for it. Okay, guys, it's already been 45 minutes. So what you want to do is let's flip it. I grab it by the neck. Yeah, I think I need more hands for this little. Wow, this. Hold on 1 second, guys. There you go. Yeah. Ah. Okay. So I flipped it like that, and let's start broiling it again. All right, guys, our turbo broil chicken is ready. Look at that beauty. We're gonna transfer it over right here. I'm gonna plate it. And for the sauce, I'm gonna put it in a separate bowl. So let's try actually. Ooh, wow, wow. Ooh, ooh. Oh my goodness, wow. Look at that, guys. And look at this natural sauce. Beautiful. It's the chicken's natural oil, guys. No added oil here. Let's add it into oil. No, I cannot do it with one hand, so give me a second. Here's our beautiful chicken, guys, and here's the sauce. Yum! Yum, 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 yum.